collaboration with Sayabling. I will leave a link to their website in the description box, but they're basically a jewellery brand. Hopefully I did pronounce their name right. So if you want to go and check them out, please click the link in the description and look at the rings, bracelets, necklaces, everything. And I will also link the piece that they sent me, because they did kindly say that they would send me over a piece of jewellery to review in a video, which is what I'm doing today. When I received the item, it came in a gift bag, which looks just like this, which is so cute, which is what makes it kind of like perfect for a gift for somebody, because you don't have to get a separate gift bag. And then inside the gift bag is a gift box. Double prizes. So this is what the gift box looks like. It's got a little bow on the top, and it just makes the whole experience special. And then inside, it did come a little bit neater than this, but I've actually taken everything out, obviously, to check everything's okay and look at everything beforehand. But we have the actual box, but in here, it's kind of like nested in here in like this.
Oh, what the hell is that kind of, what is that called? This stuff. What is that called? I don't know, but that can go in my hamster's cage. He can have that.
A jewellery care card, kind of showing you how to look after the jewellery. And then just like their business card. This, which I personally think you can write on there like to blah 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 who it's for, like a little card kind of thing. I accidentally bent it. But this is the box that it kind of comes in for the piece of jewellery. It's kind of like a ring box, but this is the piece that I picked. It's obviously in a little bag here, but I will show you. So I decided to get this necklace here because I really like wearing necklaces, and I particularly like more simplistic ones, so where there's not like a load of colours and just a lot going on. So I went for this piece here. I will link this specific one in the description box, but it's very, very kind of shiny and bright and nice, and it's a really good kind of quality feeling piece. And even the chain feels like really nice, and like, because you know when you can get jewelry pieces and like the chain can feel a little bit cheap, this feels really, really nice and kind of like a good weight to it. But it's a really, really, really nice shiny piece of jewelry. I went for silver because I do really like silver pieces of jewelry, but I do wear either silver or gold. But yeah, they have a lot of different options on their website that I would recommend just going having a little scroll through, see what they've got. When I went on their website today, they had like some kind of discount on, so I would definitely go check that out now if I was you. But this particular piece, I'm so happy with it in terms of the quality, how it looks, how shiny it is. I will put it on. I am wearing some jewelry on as well, which is from a different brand. This is what the necklace looks like on. This is so, so nice. Like, imagine this by itself. That's really nice. I have got some necklaces on now, and it does actually layer up really well with these other necklaces, which is really, really nice. But this is anyway what the necklace looks like by itself. It's very nice, sophisticated, chic necklace. It's just plain simple, what I like, and it's excellent quality. So if you're looking for like a gift for somebody or a gift for yourself, something that's like high quality, really nice, comes gift packaged, then I would recommend checking out the description box for their website. It's a great product. I'm very happy with the service. It came really fast, and I couldn't give a negative, if I'm honest with you. If I had to be really picky, I would change the colour of the boxes, not to be blue, just because it's not my favourite colour. But that is literally just me being picky, because yeah, because when I review things, especially things that I'm sent, I want to give like a really thorough review, so positives, negatives. I don't have to be 100% positive. So I like to think of a slight negative thing, but I couldn't, because it's great. So thank you to them for sending me this product. I will leave a link in the description. Please go and check it out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.